Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another downwards day, although a little different compared to the past days of basically all of last week, because today the price didn't put in a new low. Now, you may be thinking, well, geez, Clay, that's setting the bar kind of low. And yeah, maybe it is. But, I mean, the price, yeah, it gapped up. Yeah, it came down. But at least it didn't violate that green line right there at 0015, because all of last week, that's all it was doing is every single day, new low, new low, new low. But that didn't happen here. So it's at least now firmly starting to go sideways, which, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has gone sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that this thing is getting ready to skyrocket back upwards. My point here is it now becomes at least it becomes at least a rational thought to be thinking, okay, maybe, just maybe, the bottom is finally in. Maybe, just maybe, the bulls are stepping up enough where this 0015 mark right there is going to hold strong and the price can try to give it another go in the upwards direction. Again, guaranteed? Absolutely not. A rational, plausible thought to have? Yeah, for sure. So let's see if this is some sort of bottom forming, which makes 0015 now very, very important, because if this is a bottom that's forming, well, then it needs to be a bottom, meaning you don't want to see the price going any lower relative to what? Well, any lower relative to 0015. So, I mean, if the price crashes through there, then everything I've just talked about this maybe being a bottom goes right out the window. Now, on any sort of attempted bounce, the key level of resistance is all about that purple line there, which I've talked about time and time again, that 50-period moving average. So keep a close eye on that. But all in all, definitely some interesting movement here. Potentially a bottom, but yeah, 0015 becomes a very important level moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.